Today I'm going to show you how to make 15 liters of high quality bleach right at home. The good news is that the process is very simple, straightforward, and does not require any complicated equipment. As long as you follow the steps carefully and observe the necessary safety precautions, you can easily produce your own bleach. Now let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be working with. For this 15 liters batch, you will need 600 grams of sodium hypochlorite, also known as chlorine, 300 grams of sodium hydroxide, commonly called caustic soda, 600 grams of sodium carbonate, also known as soda ash, 20 grams of sodium sulfate. To begin the process, in my mixing bowl here, I already have 10 liters of clean water. The first ingredient I will add is the sodium hypochlorite. Go ahead and pour it into the water, then stir properly until it is well mixed. Before we continue, I want to emphasize something very important. Sodium hypochlorite is a toxic chemical, so under no circumstance should you attempt to make bleach without wearing proper safety gear. Always make sure you are wearing a nose mask, protective gloves, and safety goggles to protect yourself from harmful fumes and chemical splashes. Once that is properly mixed, the next ingredient we add is sodium carbonate, also known as soda ash. Pour it in and stir thoroughly until it dissolves and combines properly with the solution. Another important safety reminder: whenever you are working with chemicals like this, make sure there is no children or pets around your workspace. Always work in a safe and controlled environment. Next, we add the 20 grams of sodium sulfate into the mixture. Stir again until everything is well combined. Now for the final chemical ingredients, sodium hydroxide, also known as caustic soda. This ingredient should never be added directly into the main mixture in its solid form. Instead, we are going to dissolve it separately in about 3 liters of water. As you add the sodium hydroxide to the water, stir continuously until it completely dissolves. And remember this very important rule when handling caustic soda. Always add the caustic soda into water. Never add water into the caustic soda. Doing it the wrong way can cause a dangerous chemical reaction. Also keep in mind that caustic soda is highly corrosive. It can cause serious burn if it comes into contact with your skin. So always wear your protective gel and work in a well-ventilated area. Again, making sure that children and pets are not anywhere nearby. Once the sodium hydroxide is fully dissolved, carefully pour the solution into the main mixing bowl. Then stir the entire mixture for about 3 minutes to ensure that everything is properly blended together. Now top it up with 2 liters of water to complete the 15 liters. Give it one thorough mix. After stirring, cover the container and allow the mixture to rest for about 3 days. Now let's check the results. 3 days later, this is what we have. You will notice that the residue has settled at the bottom, while the clear bleach solution stays at the top. Carefully pour the clear liquid into another clean container, making sure not to shake or disturb the residue at the bottom. And just like that, our high quality bleach is ready to use. Now, don't throw away the residue at the bottom. You can still add about 5 liters of water to it. Stir gently and allow it to sit for another 3 days. After that, filter it the same way we just did. The concentration may be a little lower, but it will still work effectively for cleaning and disinfecting. And there you have it, your homemade high quality bleach, produced step by step. Don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. God bless you.